In this video we are going to explain you how to use your admin area. Instructions for using the appointment management system script. Follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how your site works. Admin settings. Here you will decide how your program will run. Manage your pages. Here you can manage your pages and add new pages to your system. File Manager. Here you can upload new files or delete the previous uploaded files. Generate database backup. This section will let you take database backup from admin area itself. Update system. Here you can find the list of updates that are available for your system. Manage services. From here you can add, edit, delete services. Add client. This section lets you add your client information. Clients list. From here you can view, edit, delete the client information. Appointments list. From here you can add, edit, delete appointments. Invoices. This section lets you track the invoices. Log out. Thanks for watching this video.